starting with numerical number 10. A needle of a sewing machine moves along a path of amplitude 4 centimeter. Here you have amplitude, that is 4 centimeter, with frequency 5 Hz. You have frequency, that is 5 Hz. Find its acceleration 1 upon 30 seconds. The timing is given to you. The unit itself tell you what is given to you in the question. So 1 upon 30 seconds after it has crossed mean position. For mean position, the value of phi is 0. They are asking you to calculate acceleration. So first we'll find out the formula and then we'll see what all things are required. So let's start with the displacement. The formula is A sine omega t plus phi, and the value of phi is 0. So it is x A sine omega t. Now from this you can find out the formula of acceleration. It will be A omega square 1 minus ka sine and sine omega t. Now how this formula came? You can go from displacement or distance to the formula of velocity. A omega, instead of sine you will write cos omega t, and when you come from velocity to acceleration you will copy the same thing. A omega, one more omega gets added, so this becomes omega square. Cos, derivative of cos is minus sine, so instead of cos we are writing minus sine omega t. So here we have the formula. We have time with us, we have amplitude with us, we don't have omega. So the formula for omega is 2 pi n. You can use this formula, but do you have n? Yes, we have n. So we can use this formula to calculate omega. Once omega is calculated, we will use the value of omega and then we'll find out acceleration. Now we can remove this negative sign by making a in the form of magnitude. So this sign vanish. Now you have the formula for acceleration in which just omega is required. So omega is equal to 2 pi, n is phi, 2 phi's are 10. So it is 10 pi radian per second. This is the unit for omega, that is angular frequency. Now you can use that value of omega in this formula. A given to you is 4. Omega square, that is 10 pi ka square. Then it is sine omega is 10 pi and small t is 1 upon 30. This and this gets cancelled. So here you have sine pi upon 3. Sine pi upon 3 is nothing but sine 60. 4, 10 ka square is 100 and pi ka square. So now this is 400 into pi is 3.142 the whole square and sine 60. Now if you don't know what is sine 60, then you will face problem. That is root pi, sine 60 is root 3 upon 2. Cancel 2 ones up, this becomes 200. Now you have 200 into 3.142 the whole square into square root of 3, that is 1.732. You will have to see the value of square root 3 when you will see in your logbook. Square root mein 3 chahiye, so 3.0 is also equal to 3. So 3.0, see it is in the column of 0. It is 1.732, so I have taken that value. Now you can apply log. You will have to write antilog first, then log of 200 plus log of 3.142. Now you have this number in power, you will take this ahead of log plus log of 1.732. 3 digits, 3 minus 1 is 2. 20 का 0 चेक करेंगे लॉग में. 3010 plus 2 into, now you have just one digit, so 1 minus 1 is 0. 31 का 4 का 2, 31 का 4 is this and 2 is this, that is 4969 plus 3, that is 4972 plus, you have just one digit, so 1 minus 1 is 0. Point 17 का 3 का 2 का 3 and this 5, so 2380 plus 5 is 2385. It is 2.3010 plus 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 9s are 18 plus 1 is 19, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 is 9, 2 0s are 0 plus 0.2385. Now you will add these three digits, that is 2.3010, 0.9944 and then it is 0.2385. Now add them. 5 plus 4 is 9, 8 plus 1 is 9 plus 4 is 13, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13, 9 plus 1 is 10, 13, 14, 15. So it is 3.5339. So here you will calculate antilog of 3.5339. In case of antilog, you will leave the digit after point, that is 53 का 3 का 9. 53 का 3 and for 9 it is 7. So 3412 plus 7. So it is 3419 and 3419. So 3419, after one digit you will put point into 10 raised to whatever digit you have before point, that will go in the power of 10. So this is the value of acceleration. Now you check, here you have things in centimeter, so you can keep the answer in centimeter per second square. Okay, now if you want to convert it into meter, you can do it like this: 3.419 into 10 raised to 3. Sorry. Now when you go from centimeter to meter, you multiply by 10 raised to minus 2. So even here you will multiply by 10 raised to minus 2 meter per second square. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So here you have 10 raised to 1. That is 3.419. 3 minus 2 is 1. So here I have written 1 in the power meter per second square. Now you can multiply this 10 raised to 1 in this digit, so that will give you 34.19 meter per second square.